I was like, okay, well, maybe she's just crazy and she's just insane and that's just who she is. What about another number one, Adele? She seems to be very different. So Adele is in fact the opposite. Zero endorsements. Recently, there was a brand, I think it was Nike or Adidas, one of them, that was willing to pay her, I think it was 4 million euros for her son to wear like these clothes. No. Perfumes, no. Jewelry, no. Cars, nothing. She doesn't have endorsements. She doesn't believe in the endorsements. She thinks she is a musician. All she needs to do is write music and sing, and that's it, which is incredible. Does her own makeup, drives her own car, no social media. She actually has I think it's a Twitter or Instagram account that she doesn't have the password. She cannot get into. And she was recording the 21 and perhaps the best music producer in the world, Rick Rubin, and they were recording, right? Recording the album. And Rubin, who has produced every single best album that you have heard is him, said, this sucks. I mean, the music doesn't, I mean, this is not good. This is not Adele. And she cried, went back, rewrote the whole thing, and then sold 31 million copies worldwide of the new album because she rewrote it. And Adele and Beyonce, they couldn't be more different. They are the opposite. So the lesson here is there is no one way to do it. There is no right or wrong way. It's whatever makes sense for one or whatever makes sense for the other. Full endorsements, no endorsements. Full control, very little control.